Andy from Flushmate here. Today we're discussing standing water in the porcelain tank and where it can come from. Before you begin, make sure you read and understand the entire installation and owner's manuals. Because Flushmate systems are pressurized, make sure you completely shut off the water supply to the unit and flush it to release pressure. Failure to do so could result in damage or injury. While not all Flushmate-equipped toilet tanks will have water in them, it's not unusual to see water inside of the porcelain tank. There are several ways for water to accumulate in the porcelain tank, and we'll discuss them today. Depending on the ambient air temperature and humidity levels, condensation may form all around the vessel. This water can accumulate in the porcelain tank. It is normal for a stream of water to come out of the vacuum breaker when you first turn the water onto the toilet. Once enough pressure builds up, the vacuum breaker will close and the water will stop coming out of it. You may also see a small amount of water collect at the base of the upper supply. This can also be normal. Every time the toilet is flushed, it is possible for a small amount of water to discharge from the drain valve. This same drain valve provides access for standing water to drain out of the porcelain tank. Since the drain valve is positioned about an inch from the bottom of the porcelain tank, you may see up to half an inch of standing water. This is normal. If more than an inch of water is present in the porcelain tank, or you see any active leaks when the vessel is not in use, please contact Flushmate. For other troubleshooting videos and how-to videos, visit our website at flushmate.com/resources. For technical support and resources, you can contact Flushmate using the information below. Thank you.